Hi lovelies, welcome back to my video. A lot of people that have watched my transparent brown bar soap requested for the profit in brown bar soap, so I decided to make this video for them. This brown bar soap I want to teach you in this video, the water is high and the oil is low, and I also got a very hard soap that foams very well. I got these huge sizes and strong using only 1 liter of oil. This is the kind of video you pay to watch, but I decided to give it out for free. The only thing I need from you is to like and share this video and say thank you in the comment section. If you are hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Gloria and this is Gloria Home of Skills. All the chemicals and the measurement I use will be pinned in the comment section, so if you want to know how this is made, stay tuned and keep watching. I'll be using bleached red palm oil and palm kernel oil, which is called PKO. So the first oil I measured into the bucket is red palm oil. It is bleached oil, so you can bleach with fire, but if you want to bleach with chemicals, you go to the comment section of this video. I'm going to link the video on how to bleach your palm oil with chemicals. The first oil I measured out the one I poured into the bucket is red palm oil that I bleached. So the one I am pouring right now is palm kernel oil. The palm kernel oil is 300 ml, and while the red bleached palm oil is 700 ml. So this is the water I'll be using. I'll be using 1300 ml of water. So the oil is 1000 ml of oil, the total, while the water is 1300 ml. So I have measured the first 1 liter and the second one is 300. So total of water is 1300 while the oil is 1000. So that is 1 liter. So the first chemical I'll be dissolving is my caustic soda. So because it's not good to pour your water in your caustic soda, rather you pour water first before you pour your caustic soda. This is the only good way to do it. So do not pour your water inside the caustic soda. Make sure you do it in this direction. This is about 180 grams of caustic soda that I'm dissolving in water. So after dissolving it, you set it aside. I've gotten questions like what time should I pour my caustic soda in? Should I allow it to get cold? Should I allow it to get hot? We are making semi-hot process. So do not allow your caustic soda to get cold. It's going to be hot. Caustic soda serves as a cleaning agent in this soap production. And please do not be like me. Make sure all your hands are covered, because this chemical, you can see the way vapor is coming out of it. So just make sure you cover your hands to avoid itching or to avoid peeling of hands. So make sure you cover your hands, okay? My glove is finished and I was not able to get one. Okay, that's why I'm using my bare hands. So this is me pouring the caustic soda. I divided the water into two. Sorry, I didn't mention it earlier. I divided the water into two, and I used half of the water to dissolve my caustic soda. So I have poured the caustic soda solution, which is lye solution, into the oil. Yes, you are learning this soap for the first time. If you dissolve your caustic soda in water, it is now called a lye solution. So I have poured the lye solution and I'm dissolving it. So after dissolving it, I'm going to cover it. I use this whisker for me to whisk it very well. If you want to get a very smooth soap, get ready to stir it, okay? So after stirring, I covered and allow it for some time. Let's just allow it for 20 minutes. This is our sodium sulfate. This is 150 grams of sodium sulfate. The remaining water I divided was warmed. I warmed it in a kettle. Remember, the one I used in dissolving the caustic soda, which is half of the water, it was not boiled. Okay, but this one that I'm using to dissolve my sodium sulfate and other chemicals is warm, so I warmed it a little bit. Do not allow it to boil, do not allow it to get too hot, so just warm it up. Okay, I'm going to dissolve all the rest of the chemicals in this water. So the next chemical I'll be adding there is soda ash. This is 75 grams of soda ash that I'm going to dissolve here. So after dissolving this, I'm going to dissolve the next chemical. Soda ash serves as a filler in your soap and it also serves as a cleaning agent. So as for sodium sulfate, I'm going to explain the work of sodium sulfate now. Sodium sulfate serves as a hardener and It also make your soap heavy. In case if you want to measure your soap, sodium sulfate will help you to make it heavy, including sodium chloride, but we are not going to use sodium chloride. We are using sodium sulfate. The next chemical I'll be adding is our calcium carbonate. I'll be using 150 grams of calcium carbonate to produce this soap. So after dissolving all the chemicals, I have dissolved all the chemicals. Other ones are in liquid. So all the powdered ones are now dissolved in warm water. So like I said, the calcium carbonate is 150 grams. So I'm going to move to the next stage. I forgot to say what calcium carbonate does. It's a binder that makes your soap strong. Now it is time to open your soap and see how your soap is looking. I want to get a gel solution. So this is the gel solution I'm looking for. The soap is now cooked and it is gelled. When you get this type of color in your soap is gelled. I have not added any color here. Okay, so right now I am adding all the things I dissolved. Those 3 chemicals I dissolved in the warm water, I am adding it right now. So it is now time to stir properly. I covered this soap and allow it to stay for at least 5 minutes. Though I didn't do this in the camera, I wanted it to rest for at least 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Then this is it. Now it is now time to add your silicate. So I'll be using 40 mils of silicate. So I'll be using syringe to measure it. This is 10 mils of syringe. So if I add 4 of these, I've measured out 40 mils. So if I add this, I'm going to stir it and move to the next stage. Guys, please do me a favor by liking this video, sharing this video, and saying thank you into the comment section. Thank you. The silicate I just added serves as a hardener. The next material I'll be adding is foam booster. Go ahead and add 100 mils of foam booster in this production. I produce this foaming booster by myself, so if you want to produce foaming booster, I'll be linking the video in the comment section. So go ahead and watch how to produce it by yourself so that you will make profits. But if you don't want to produce by yourself, go ahead and buy. You will still make a profit. But when you produce things by yourself, you will find out that your profit will be bigger. So that's why I suggest you produce by yourself. But since you cannot produce, you can go ahead and use the ones that is produced that you can buy from the chemical store. Next chemical I am adding right now is sugar syrup. I produce this brown sugar syrup by myself, but if you want to watch the video, go ahead and watch the video because I'm going to link it in the comment section. So every videos I said I produce here will be linked in the comment section. If you don't want to add any brown color, you can skip this part and add any color of your choice. I'm just trying to teach a brown bar soap. This color is as desired. Any color you want, you can add. If you want this color to be deep, you can add it to be deep. If you want it to be lighter, you can add it to be lighter. It does not have any measurement, so that's why I'm explaining it like this. So after adding this sugar, I will move to the next stage. The next thing I'll be adding is fragrance. Go ahead to add this fragrance as desired. Some of the chemicals I use here, you can get them in the chemical store, but some of them I produce them by myself and they are also sold in the chemical store. So go ahead and buy anything you want to buy. It is available. So in case you are finding it difficult to get a chemical store, just use your phone and Google any chemical store around you and you get everything there. Okay, if you have watched to this moment, please like and share this video. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to pour it inside the mold. This mold, the video will also be in the comment section. I made this mold by myself. And at the end of that video, I said you guys should wait for the outcome of the soap. This is the soap I poured in that video, so you guys should wait for the outcome. This mold is made with cardboard box. In Nigeria, it is called carton box. So wait for the outcome of the soap. In case you're watching this video in any of my platform, please go ahead to like and share this video, subscribe, follow this video. I teach all kinds of soap making, skincare, business idea, vlogs, all kinds of soap making. I am here to teach you, and if you want to go into a private class with me, use the number on the screen to contact me and I will answer you immediately. This soap removes dust stains. It is hard, it is profitable, it lasts longer. Get this soap in the evening around 3 p.m. Nigerian time, but this is it after 3 hours. You can see how strong this soap is. This is just after 3 hours of this video. This is me trying to check if my soap has hardened. When you dip your hand inside and you try to press it, you find out that your soap has hardened so well. So I left it till tomorrow morning. As you can see, this is the color now. Our soap has hardened so well. So I am going to remove it from the mold and cut it. So after cutting it, I will allow it to cure for like 2 days and you feel free to sell your soap. This is not the type of soap to keep for so long. You can start selling it after 72 hours. So keep watching. What I mean by keeping it for so long, you can keep your soap for so long, but what I mean is for you to start selling it immediately. You don't need to keep it for so long for it to cure. So that is what I mean, okay? In case if you want to go about any commercial soap business, and if you want to know more about this brand soap and the profit and everything, just use the number on the screen to contact me. I use knife in cutting this soap, and what you're going to use is a cutter. You're not going to use a knife, okay? So just use the number on the screen to contact me and I will direct you and teach you what to do, okay? This brown color didn't come out well. I would have added more because what I'm seeing here is a milk color, so I would have added more to get more brown color. So what you're going to do is when you make this soap, just add enough brown color of the brown sugar syrup. To add ordinary brown, go ahead to add ordinary brown, but I prefer that syrup because that sugar syrup, I forgot to mention earlier that it also serves as a foaming booster. It boosts the foaming of the soap and it also moisturizes the skin. The sugar syrup serves as 3 things. It serves as a foaming booster, it moisturizes the skin, and it also serves as a color. Have you seen it? So I go ahead to add more if you want. If you don't want your color to be like this, just go ahead to add more. So it is now time to check the power of this soap. I'm going to check the foaming power and also going to check the cleaning power. I'll be using dirty cloth to check if this soap is working very well. So let's see. This is a huge bar soap that has high cleaning power and a foaming power. It can be sold anywhere. This is a secret that a lot of people sell, but I decided to put it here for free. So please, only support I need from you is just to encourage me by liking this video, sharing this video, and saying thank you into the comment section. It is free of charge. There's no money attached. You can subscribe or follow for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.